Hey everyone, welcome to a Hunt's Arcade video. This time it's all about Williams Defender and Williams Stargate. My son and I have a full-size arcade machine running a J-Rock, but we decided we would build a tabletop combo thingy machine just for a bit of fun over lockdown. So we started off looking at what options were available, so we decided on running a Raspberry Pi with MAME and then just sort of playing around with that. So we decided we'd actually build a 3D printed carcass control panel and screen holder, as you can see here on the screen, to put everything in. So there you can see the screen holder. What we did, we slid the screen in, then we put a piece of black perspex on top so that it hid well. You can then see the screen sort of within the control panel and a control panel diagram. Then added the buttons into the control panel, map them with regards to both the Defender and Stargate games, and here you can see a quick demo of me playing. Obviously using one hand, I can't hold the camera, use the the joystick and fire the buttons at the same time. So we then printed the carcass that you can see there. We moved on to how we would get all of the components in. So we started to sort of jiggle things around. You can see here we're adding sort of the switch and the power supply, on off switch, so power supply, volume control, etc. And then what we did notice that the speaker we had did not work with the Raspberry Pi, so we had to cut a hole in the bottom to put in a Monkey Make speaker. Got it all set up, as you can see here, so it's starting to run. Had a custom control panel, textured control panel, designed and printed for us. That sits on the machine. The reason you can see RLH on the buttons, because I had to mark and label the buttons before I put them back in, so I didn't forget where they were. And then we get on to the actual running. So this is the machine itself. I'm sorry to talk over the gameplay, but I'm sure you've heard it a million times before. And then that's it really. So you'll see here Williams Defender, and then the next part of the video will be Williams Stargate. And that's it. But what we do hope to do in sort of the next couple of 6 to 8 weeks, we're going to be building a Smash TV stroke Robotron combo, which we're really looking forward to, because we're using the 2 joysticks. We think that's going to be quite a challenge for us. And then following on from that, we know somebody whose birthday is coming up, and we're going to look at building a track and field combo. Now that one is going to be a challenge, because for those of you out there that know track and field, you need 3 buttons per player. So we want to continue to use the same carcass that we've designed for all of our game builds, so that it's just a case of we can build the controller, we can build the carcass with all the electronics in and everything else, and then it's just a case of changing the control panel for whatever game we decide to create. I think we're going to make about 4 or 5 of these purely for our own personal use, just for fun. So I hope you enjoyed it. We will load the videos as we get closer to finishing with the others. But thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.